Hi, boys and girls. I don't know about you, but when I was a little kid, I used to think that if I ate an apple seed, an apple would grow right inside of my belly. Well, I found out when I grew up that that just wasn't the case because for a plant to grow inside of my belly, it would need sunlight and water and air and soil. And my belly doesn't have all of those things. Does your belly have all of those things? We couldn't grow plants inside of our bellies. That's kind of silly, right? Well, the reason I am talking to you about seeds and plants today is because I have a book to read to you called A Fruit is a Suitcase for Seeds. And this book is all about different fruits and the seeds that are inside of them. Some of these different kinds of fruits will surprise you. But remember, the main difference between a fruit and a vegetable is that vegetables do not have the seeds inside. They are not the suitcases for the seeds. The fruits are. You ready? A Fruit is a Suitcase for Seeds by Jean Richards, illustrated by Anka Harriton. Most plants have seeds. When you put a seed in the ground and water it, a new plant grows from it. Have you ever planted a seed before and watched it grow? I know we've seen this in our apple tree unit that we did in school, getting put into the ground and sprouting up and gets nice and big. Seeds often travel to faraway places. If seeds did not travel, too many plants would grow in one place. It would be very crowded. And look here, the illustrator actually uses these different suitcases instead of fruits to show us how crowded they would be together. She put all of these different plants up here on these 2 pages, all crowded together, because the plants aren't traveling enough. That's why they travel, so that they can be nice and spaced apart from each other. Some seeds travel on the wind. Some seeds travel in the water. They travel all different ways. Many seeds travel inside, what do you think? Fruits. The fruit is like a suitcase for the seeds. It protects them on their trip. So think about maybe if you're going apple picking and you drop an apple, or maybe you're at the grocery store, what could happen to an apple there? What is the fruit keeping the seeds safe from? What is it protecting them from? Getting bumped or bruised, or maybe put somewhere where they aren't supposed to go? The fruit is keeping those seeds right where they should be and keeping them nice and safe. Fruits look beautiful and taste good, so animals and people eat them and drop the seeds in different places. Some fruits carry one big seed inside them. The seed is called a pit. A cherry is one of these fruits. Other fruits that have one big seed called a pit inside are peaches, plums, apricots, and avocados. Those are all different fruits that have one big seed inside called a pit. Some fruits have many small seeds inside them. An apple is one of these fruits. Other fruits that have many small seeds inside them are lemons, melons, and pears. They have many small seeds inside. Some fruits have many tiny seeds inside them. A kiwi is one of these fruits. Now I know when I'm eating kiwi, I see all those little dots inside and I think to myself, now those are all different seeds and there must be so many of them. Have you ever thought to yourself while you were eating a kiwi, now that is a lot of seeds inside of that. And also bananas have lots of seeds inside, and blueberries have lots of teeny tiny seeds inside. So all those fruits carry lots of really small seeds. Many berries, such as strawberries and blackberries, carry their seeds on the outside. Raspberries do too. And it looks like these bears are enjoying these berries. Some vegetables we eat are really fruits. Some vegetables we eat are really fruits. They carry seeds too. Peas are seeds. Did you know that? So green peas, the peas are the seeds inside. We eat them. They're seeds. Acorn squash are fruit. Olives are fruit. Peppers and eggplants and tomatoes are fruit. Butternut squash are fruit. Those are all different kinds of fruit. I wouldn't have even known that if I hadn't have known that seeds are in fruits. I might have thought that those are just vegetables, but they're also fruits. Can you find the seeds on this ear of corn? Hint, it's the part you eat. Now think of how many seeds are on one ear of corn then. Every single kernel, every single one of those little yellow kernels is a different seed for the corn. I'll bet you didn't know that every time you eat a peach, a cherry, an avocado, a plum, a cucumber, a tomato, a grape, an apple, an orange, a pea, a pear, a melon, a banana, or a blueberry, I bet you didn't know when you were eating all of these different fruits. You're really eating a suitcase. A suitcase for seeds. So every time you eat a fruit now with those seeds inside, you can think to yourself, I know this is a fruit, and a fruit is a suitcase for seeds. So this fruit is keeping these seeds nice and safe. So this book is a facts and information book, right? It taught us all about fruits and the seeds that are inside of them. So I would like you to tell me one thing you learned from this book. What is something that you learned about the seeds in fruit? Let me know. Have a good night. Bye.